Abby, you want to come up? Are you? Oh, what? I'm good. I'm all good. Are you ready? Do you know what you have to do? Okay, so you're gonna. Do you see this? When you're last. Okay. You just have to read that. You have to read it nice and loud, so everybody can hear you. Okay, you could do it. Abby.
When your last chemo has come and gone, ring this bell to tell everyone it's time to celebrate. Hip hip hooray. What a great feeling. What a great day.
Congratulations.
You're the mom.
I am. Congratulations. Thank you.
Do you want a picture of all of you guys?
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Done
You
great.
guys couldn't ask for a
Yeah, get a picture of all of me.
Are you going to speak? Do you have anything to say?
You don't have to say that.
He's going to. Go ahead.
I would like to thank God for this facility.